Okay guys, okay. So it is time for me to review some wigs. Let me put my chair up. Alright, let me get my intro on. Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tanya M, aka Diablo Verde, and I do wig reviews for the latest and greatest. Okay, I also do makeup tutorials, so if you like this look, you can always click the link above and it'll take you right to it. Okay, so before we get into the wig that I'm reviewing today, this wig I have on is by Bobbi Boss. If you want to see the review and where to purchase, you can always click the card above or the link in the description box, whichever you see first, and it'll take you right to that video. So the first wig I'm going to review today is by Zury. I already reviewed her in the blue color, but I went ahead and got the Tint-Tip orange color just so I can try that on. That's why you see I got my orange mother shirt on, because we about to try this on. I got this because I thought it would be like the easiest one that would be more wearable because of the orange color. It mimics like a blonde like this, like a really warm tone blonde. And I want to go ahead and get that and share that with y'all. This is part of their 360 lace wig collection. It does come with a 13x4 lace parting area. And it's supposed to be a 360. It's not really necessarily a 360. And the way they constructed it is kind of annoying to me. This wig is very big head friendly. If you have a small head and you don't like a lot of customization, this ain't the wig for you, boo. Because this wig, let me tell y'all, my peanut head was swimming in this unit. So this is the cap construction. She's a 13x4 lace parting area. Love the parting area, super gorgeous. The hairline is nice. It's okay. It could be a little bit more plucked, but we're not going to go through that today. This is how the color looks in the color Tint-Tip orange. So it's the tint, the orange is up at the top and at the bottom, and in the middle it looks like a really light orange borderline blonde, so it's mixed with the blonde. Like this lace, like I'm trying to shift it to where it's in the middle. Like this is in the middle. This is in the middle because the comb is like smack dab in the middle of the back. It's just bad. This is the first time I'm going to lay the combs, if I can find them. Because otherwise this wig going to be flying off my head. Okay. I have my comb. So you can part this wig anywhere in the middle. Talk about the specs really quick. So you can part this wig anywhere you would like. Definitely suggest gluing her down. But then if I try to like see, what I'm gonna do is this. So I don't like the fact that, like, I wanted to part it on the middle, I really did, but I don't like the fact that I have to scoot it down all the way on my forehead for me to lay it down. So unfortunately, I'm going to just keep it parted down the middle. That way, you can part it all the way back there. Because if I don't, then it's going to look real fake on me being parted on the side with it all the way down here, basically. Like, I can't do that. Oh my goodness, I feel like I wasted my money. but she's a lovely color. Like, I love this color. I just wish the cap construction was better. Like, who told them to make the cap this big? There was nothing wrong with that other cap. Them other caps they had was friendly too, was big head friendly too. Like, I don't know if somebody was complaining, telling Zury, like, no, this is not it. Now I can't wear the wig like I want. Maybe if I scoot it down just a little bit more. No, just keep it up there. So sad. I'm gonna add a little powder in the middle to conceal my stocking cap. Definitely want to wear a flesh tone stocking cap with this wig. I gotta find a way to like work with this wig. Let me go ahead and show you the length. So this is how long she is. Nice wig. I love the layering on her. Here's the tips. Alright, tell me what you think about this color. Did you get any of these colors yet? And if so, go ahead and comment down below which colors you did get. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Like, comment, and yeah, you go ahead and follow me on my social media. I have more pictures on my Instagram as well as Twitter. You can go ahead and click the links down below in the description box and follow your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye.